Hello, graders, teachers, whoever's watching this video. Today I would like to show you my website for the Web Development 330 final project. I'm going to start with the landing page. This is my landing page. This is pretty simple. Hero image, we've got two dynamically created Pokemon cards. They're not real Pokemon cards, they're just cards in HTML. They're randomly generated. They can be any of the original or of the 1029 Pokemon that exist now. So I want to add Pokemon team. Great. So this is the add the team button. This uses local storage to add the Pokemon to this team, and all it does is it just adds the Pokemon's ID to the team. So all this is the Pokemon's ID in the 1029. Like if, for example, Bulbasaur is Pokemon 1, we'll see that. Here, actually, let's get rid of this so I can show this to you later. View Pokemon is is different, but team, we have this array of the team. So Palkia is 484. So we have, I'll show you this. So if we do this, and we type 44, we see all the results for Palkia. So that's what the local storage does, is we just save this and we can create the rest of this URL. And then we have abilities, we have base experience, we have cries, forms, game indices, moves, abilities, species, sprites, stats. We have everything that we could ever need from this. And so what this does in the team is we come over here, let me get rid of this so we can see it better. We've got 5 Pokemon already in the team, now we've got Palkia as well. What this shows us is, this is a card, just a bigger card. We have the official artwork for the Pokemon. This is all grabbed from a fetch call. We've got this, we've got the types, we've got the abilities, stats, description, and then we've got a button to remove Pokemon. So let's say I wanted to remove Squirtle. I could remove him there, and then if we come over to our local storage, we can see that he's no longer in there. There's only 5 instead of 6. That's how the team works. It's fairly simple. So now if we come back to home, I'm gonna hopefully get a Pokemon from the, oh, there was one, just barely, and I missed it. We're looking for a Pokemon from the original 151, so we can say C in Pokédex. That'll take us to the Pokédex, and it'll put this Pokemon here on the page for us. And so we can add the team from here, and we can check the rest of the Pokemon. We can check, we want to, okay, I want to see this. We can click on them, and it'll pull us their types, description, and this. And then if we want, we can add it to the team as well. So for example, we just added Parasect. We can come back to my team, and he should be here at the bottom. Now if I want to remove him, simple as that. So all that's pretty simple in the code. This is the landing JavaScript. Obviously we pull a random number from the 1029 that exists. We have our load, header, and footer. This is a template very similar to the load template from the Sleep Outside project. And then down here, this is what we're pulling from for the landing page cards, which are these cards here. We pull the sprite, the name, the types, the description, and we have these 2 buttons. So that's what this is making. It's setting all of these to a variable, and then we have display, which puts those variables into a card. Very simple, very nice. Now here we have our team page, which pretty similar, but we pull more. We pull stats, abilities, height, weight, and then the official artwork. And then we've got the display Pokemon card. Similar, we just build it like this. So then the Pokédex page is also pretty similar. It's only set to do the first 151 Pokemon right now, which later on I'll go in and I'll add functionality so you can see every region. I think there's 9 regions now. We just come through here, We have an add to team function, which just puts it in local storage, adds it to that array. We have the onload function, which if we have a view Pokemon, which in our case was Jigglypuff, it'll add that, and then that is the Pokemon that loads when you go to the Pokédex page. So that's our view Pokemon. Come down here, similar thing, we've got the name, image, types, and description. We've got the update Pokemon. This is what runs every time you click one of the Pokemon on this side. So this is update Pokemon with the number for Sandslash, now Clefable. And that's a very brief overview of my website, my final project. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing back from you.